All right, welcome back everybody to the Boost Envy YouTube channel. Earlier video, I did mention I was tearing the wiring harness out. I was gonna rewrap it. So we got the harness out and we're gonna just start at one end and work our way down. I've got this wrap here. That's the smaller stuff. I'm hoping that it's enough. It looked like it when I ordered it, and now it doesn't quite. So anyways, what I'm going to do is just start at one end, and I think I'm going to start at this end, leave this, because I don't mind if this part is inside the car, actually from here back. So I'm going to start on that end, work my way back, and see where I run out. If I have to order a couple more rolls, I'll order a couple more rolls to complete it if I don't make it all the way to where I want to. I just think that this is going to make it look a heck of a lot cleaner inside the engine bay as opposed to the big loom in some areas where it's hard to feed and bulky and so on and so forth. So like I said, I'll start on this further end here, work my way back, and we'll see where we land. I'll be back with you. All right, we had a little bit of time lapse there. Hope that showed a little bit for you guys. I have got all the way pretty much up to the battery box. I got these two more, and then everything from there on goes into the battery box and into the engine. But as you guys can see, maybe not, since this is right up against a black table, but it just, in my opinion, it just cleans it up a little bit. These areas here for the injectors, it thinned it up quite a bit just so I can run it underneath the fuel rail and kind of give it a little bit of a cleaner look. So still got quite a bit, so I'm pretty sure that it'll cover the rest that I got here. So I'm going to I want to try and retain this on here, which I'm sure I'll be able to. I'll just have to cut around it. And then this is right where it goes through that false firewall into the battery box. So I'll have it loose. Once I get the harness in there, then I can tape around here to hold it in place. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to show you guys how it was coming along. Essentially all I'm doing is cutting the tape off, and I believe this harness was done by PSI, and they do a really good job. I mean, it's really clean. It's nothing bad about their harness. I just wanted to clean it up a little bit for my liking. So Anyways, this did take me about an hour and a half. It's quite tedious doing the little wrapping crap. So probably got about another hour here to get all this done. Anyways, I'm going to keep plugging along on it, and then we'll get over to the next project. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Like I said, new day. Just wanted to kind of show you guys me installing this harness. Just give you a better shot of it in the sunlight here. Get a better feel for it. I did post some pictures up on Instagram, and everybody was really giving some good feedback about how much they liked it and how much cleaner it looks, and that's exactly what I was going for. So like I said, the harness itself with the plastic loom, they did an amazing job. I just wanted a little cleaner look, something not so normal with the plastic loom on that. So anyways, I'm going to do a little time lapse of me getting this all run out on the engine, and I'm going to bring you guys along for that. So all right, well, I filmed this once, but I had it in time lapse, so that did me absolutely no good. Anyways, as you can see, I got that harness all run in there, nice and tucked in between the little valley in between the injectors and the coil packs there. As you can see, it looks pretty dang clean, minus the couple wires I still have dangling everywhere. But looks pretty amazing there. I did, in the time lapse that I thought I was recording video, I did show that I had to make, sorry, a little notch down in the base of this per the hearse instructions, but since I already got it all together, I'm not going to take it back apart and show everybody. So anyways, it's just a little notch on this side, about an 1/8 inch deep on each corner. Just kind of squares it off, gives this shifter a little bit more room. Anyways, and it's looking pretty good. The instructions do say that these two boots will slip right over this. Find it hard to believe because that hole is a lot smaller than that shaft there, but anyways, I'm gonna give it a shot, try and get those on, and see how that works out, and I will be right back with you. All right, we got her in there. I think I'm gonna have to modify the leather boot here just a little bit, because I actually want it to sit down lower than this so it actually shows some of the beauty instead of getting it all covered up here. But a nice little shifter, pretty easy install, pretty straightforward as long as if you follow the directions, and it turns out really nice. So yeah, like I said, probably gonna have to modify that shift boot a little bit, or the leather boot there just a little bit to get it on there, but no big deal. And I think that's about it for this video. I still gotta tighten up secure those fuel lines underneath. Talked about that a couple videos ago. I was gonna get that in this video, but that's all lame stuff you guys don't need to see. I do have wing guts, not chromoly. This is DLM. That piece is chromoly. But I did decide to go ahead and make that radiator support, the one that I did out of aluminum. I'm gonna do it out of that 3/4 inch DOM and some of this 1/8 inch cold roll steel here. So it'll add a little bit more weight to the front, but not too much. But it'll be a lot easier to weld up and everything. I can MIG weld that stuff, blast it out super quick. I'm gonna actually start on that tomorrow. So I will get plenty of footage with that, getting that all mocked up, and then trimming out what else I need to trim off of here to get that radiator set in here. My goal is this weekend to have that radiator mounted in there, the bash bar on. I got a couple more pieces I'm gonna actually add to that to support it and everything. And actually I'm gonna do a lower one and mount connected to that, so you guys will see all that. But the goal is to get that on, get the intercooler mounted, and then find out where I can start running all of that cold side tubing. So anyways, I'll call that a video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And keep following along, guys. I promise you we will be done shortly, and the goal is to have this down to LS Fest. The goal is to drive this down to LS Fest. So that's what I'm shooting for. That gives me, I believe it's April 17th, 18th, and 19th, or 18th, 19th, and 20th, something like that, in Vegas. Right now it is, I believe, the 6th, the 7th, holy crap, of February. So I have a little over 2 months to do this. I'm shooting for it. Enough rambling. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow along on the journey. We'll see you next time.